We need to adjust the angle by 2 degrees.
All right, I'll update the G-code and run the simulation.
Easy now, lower it slowly. Looks aligned on this side. I'm starting the bolts now. Ease now, bring it down 5 degrees. Copy that, watching the alignment pins. Looks good from here, secure the locks. Okay, give it 2 more turns on that lower bolt. Right, torque looks good there. Moving to the next one. The high pressure turbine module is secured. Running the final sequence check now. Confirmed. Rotation is within tolerance.
Did you check the clearance on that line?
Yeah, it's within tolerance. Hand me the 11/16.
Check the torque on that housing bolt, Steve.
Reading confirmed, 75 foot-pounds. The bore scope shows some minor erosion on blade 42. Log that for review.
Ensure the auxiliary drive shaft is secured.
Confirm. The torque is within limits.
Diagnostics are running clear on the main terminal.
All right, easy now. Keep it steady on the left. Copy that, watching the clearance.
Easy now, keep it coming down slow. Clear on this side. Looks good, right on the mark.
All right, slowly engaging the collar now.
Watch the alignment pin. It's secure.
All parameters nominal. Initiate ignition sequence.
Copy that.
Check the manifold pressure line. It's clear. It's clear. All right, let's secure this panel.
The F-35's engine is a marvel of modern engineering, capable of generating over 40,000 pounds of thrust.
These blisks are polished to an almost perfect finish, critical for the airflow efficiency.
The F-35's engine casing utilizes an advanced isogrid structure, providing immense strength while significantly reducing weight.
Check the alignment on this yellow connector.
Looks good.
Ensure the torque is set correctly.
Are the readings stable on the pressure sensor?
Yes, holding steady. We can sign off on this section.
The stress analysis on the fan blade leading edge is still showing a high hot spot here. Let's cross-reference that with the flow dynamics report.
The manufacturing process requires intense focus, ensuring every component meets the rigorous standards of the F-35 program.
Hold it right there.
Coming down slow.
Clear on this side. A little more to the right. Easy now. Right, coming up, looks aligned with the rails. Set it down slow.
This measurement is confirmed.
Okay, we're clear to proceed with the starboard side assembly.
We need to verify the batch number on these.
Okay, I'm pulling the first one now.
We utilize the robotic arm for initial placement, but the fine tuning, as you see with the conduits here, still relies on the skilled hands of our technicians. The harnesses need securing by station 42. Already on it, almost done here.
The structural integrity scan on Sector 4 looks nominal.
Good. Cross-reference that with the latest heat signature data.
For precision and speed, a laser projection system or laser templating system is used to indicate fastening points.
Watch the alignment right there.
Okay, applying the sealant now. Looks good from this angle.
The F-35 assembly line represents the pinnacle of modern manufacturing, blending precision robotics with skilled human expertise.
Make sure the torque settings are calibrated before the next phase.
Copy that, Falcon 1. Weapons hot, RTB.
Clearances look good on the starboard side. Confirming continuity on the wiring harness. Check the torque on that blade, making sure it's secure. Looks good from here, within tolerance. Make sure that coupling is flush with the housing. Looks good from here. The torque is set. Check the torque on line 3.
Reading 40 Newton meters.
Okay, secure the coupling. Okay, easy now. Keep it level. I've got the tool aligned, sending it home. Clear on this side.